Hey guys, welcome to another video of technical analysis. Today we're going to be covering Spotify, ticker symbol SPOT. Now this stock has been on a tear recently from middle of March low at 110. This stock is now at 225. So I'm going to give you a couple of points where you could have bought the stock and where you could have made some massive gains. Obviously, it's really difficult to catch the bottom of stock market, but I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why you could still get a good price entry point for this stock. So let's get to it. So first of all, if you draw this downtrend sort of resistance line, when you see a downtrend resistance line becoming a support line, which is right at here, and when you see stock bouncing up with multiple lows already, that's usually a great entry point. So you could see at about stock price at 140, that seems like a great entry point. Also, you have to always watch the volume. You see this green big volume here, which relates to this one. So if you could literally get in right at that point or right before that volume happens, then usually that's a great sign, right? So maybe you could have gotten at 145 or 150. Even if you got it at 150, you would have still made big gains, which is 225. So those are some great entry points. Now, more riskier entry point is double bottom. So you could see on October, we hit this bottom. And if you draw a straight line to here, it's literally a straight line. So once you see a bounce from this line, maybe you could have bought some of stock right at this point, which is at 115 or 120. So those are a couple of great points. Now let's get to more of a pattern analysis. I don't know if you guys heard of it before. There's a pattern called cup and handle. Let me show it to you. So let me draw the inside of this chart. So if you see this pattern right here, it's forming a cup right here and a handle. So I know we had a sort of zigzag move right here, but generally speaking, this is a circular pattern with handle. Now that obviously overlaps with this downtrend resistance point that I talked about. So this has already two patterns embedded in it. So what this means is that there's higher likely a probability that stock is going to go up because it's actually detecting two different patterns. So that's a great sign. Next one, I know this is a little late afterwards, but you see this line up here in a sort of like a P-ish alphabet pattern. This is called bull flag. So right when it had the bull flag in a big green candle yesterday, it actually jumped up another 13%. So I know even if you bought it at this point, the stock, you never know if the stock is going to go even more, but you would have made a nice gain today. I mean, one day, 13%, it's hard to beat that, right? These are some of technical patterns that you could have noticed while you had this run from coronavirus lows. Thank you for watching.